2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing how I got an IPO, and that is Zomato IPO, and I made a bang on profit of 9,000 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. I made a profit of 9,000 rupees just by applying in an IPO and selling it out. So before discussing how to get an IPO, let's discuss what is an IPO. Whenever a company wants to raise funds from the general public like you and me, they need to get listed in the stock market. So they offer the share to the general public in a beating price, and that's why it's called initial public offering. So coming back to the topic, how I got my first IPO, that was Zomato IPO. Trust me guys, getting an IPO is not an easy thing. Everybody doesn't get an IPO, and a few factors depend, and it's like a lucky draw. 6 months back I had zero idea what is a stock market and how it is done, what is a SIP, a lump sum, what is a demat account, everything. I had zero idea about these things, but I was always interested in all these things. But it was a video which actually made me concerned about my future goals and how inflation will be going to hit me. With a video I saw on YouTube, I think it was Tanmay Bhatt's video, which actually clicked me very bad, and that's when I decided I should start investing. With the help of some of my friends and YouTube, I learned few things about stock market and how it runs, what is a demat account and everything. They also helped me out running an SIP. They just suggested me that I should start with an SIP. My entire investing thing should be started with an SIP. So I did my 2000 rupees ka SIP for the first time. After that I was investing in some of the stocks which were very safe, because I was totally new to this thing. To always check a session in all this investing app was the IPO and IPOs which are open, but I had zero idea what are IPOs. So I asked my friends, and I even googled about what are IPOs, and they told me that IPO is like initial public offering and how people are making good profit out of it, but it is very difficult to get one. So I randomly one day was scrolling and I applied for Zomato ka IPO. I had zero idea. I didn't even check the initials. I didn't even went to the fundamentals of the company. So I just applied because I heard that IPOs are super beneficial. But guys, don't do like this. Please study about the company's fundamentals. Please study about how the company is doing in overall. Is it a debt company or profit making company? Please learn about the company first, then start investing, or then apply for an IPO. Don't rush like me. I was lucky that I got an IPO, but I made a profit out of it. So what happened after I applied the Zomato ka IPO? I told my friends about I applying for the Zomato ka IPO, and some of my friends literally said me, ye nahi karna tha, it's a debt company and falana dhimkana. Before listing, when the money got deducted from my account, I was little worried, and I asked few of my friends, and they were like, I got the bidding price for one stock around 76 rupees, but in the grey market it's something else. I'll discuss it in some other video what is a grey market. It was around 100 rupees, and it was all around the market that it will be launching in 3 digit. Quite happy that I was pretty sure that I'll be making some profit, not much, at least 3 to 4k ka profit to ho hi jayega. But next day when it got listed for 116 rupees. I was expecting it to be listed around 100 rupees or something more, 100 or 2 or 100 or 1, but it got listed in 160 rupees, 16 rupees. So after 15 minutes of launching, it got till 125 rupees, and till the end of the day it went till 135 rupees. And when I sold my shares, I made a total profit of something around 8 to 9k, and I was very happy with it. So if you are also interested in applying for an IPO, you need to keep this pointer in your mind while applying an IPO, which will increase your chances in getting the IPO. Although it doesn't guarantee that much, but yeah, you will get your extra balls in your bucket. It won't increase the chance to the 100%, but to a few extent. Pointers to keep in your mind while applying for an IPO. First of all, always apply from different Demat account. I will suggest you to make different Demat account for the members of your family and apply it from them. Don't go overhead. Apply for one slot, not more than that. And point to keep in mind is to always bid on the highest amount. Like for instance, when Zomato was offering its bidding amount, it was between 72 to 76. I applied it from Grow app, so it actually always bids the highest amount, so it increases your chances of getting the IPO because you are bidding in the highest amount. The third pointer to keep in your mind is to not wait for the last moment, like seeing all the initials, seeing the response the IPO is getting, and then you will think of applying. No, if you are sure enough about the IPO, if you know the company has great statistic, great background, you can go ahead and apply for the IPO. If you're wondering how you can start investing in stock market or mutual funds or even an IPO or apply for an IPO, you need to have a Demat account. I'll be linking few websites and apps in my description box below from where you can start your investing journey and open a Demat account. I will say that every individual out there, whether you're in your early 20s or your early 30s, no matter what age you are, you should start investing. If you really want to beat inflation, I would suggest just start investing. Start it with a 1000 or 500 से भी शुरू होते हैं SIP. You can start investing from just 500 rupees. Trust me. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon, and like, share, comment. Let me know what I can improve in this video. That's it for today. Bye.